Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of a really cool Bluetooth speaker. It's 8 watts. It's Bluetooth 2.1. It's good up to 10 meters away. And it's a really good deal. It's happening right now. Okay, this cool deal on these speakers, $24, $10 for shipping. It comes in black. Very nice. You're going to like this deal. It's on geek.com. Of course, trying to help you save money. Let's unbox it.
Right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, it shows up in a package, looks just like this.
I'm gonna open it.
Put it back
I'll show you with the box. What's in the box? What's in the box?
There we go, music fusion with light. Pulse 3. On the side of the box it shows you full format support, auxiliary plug, endurance life.
No way! I got bullshit on that!
TF card it supports if you want to add more memory. Easy to carry. Bluetooth. Right there's on the side, shows you all the different plugs. We'll get it close so you can actually see it better.
Well, I'm funny how? I mean, funny like I'm a clown. I amuse you. I make you laugh.
Let's take it out of the box.
Oh, bro.
It's kind of difficult the way they put this in here. There we go. There's a plug. USB to micro USB plug. Inside it looks like this. If I hadn't tore the box to pieces.
What have I done?
Okay. Pull these off. Pull it out of this. And take a look at this bad boy.
I like turtles.
Here you can see on the front of it, micro USB, USB, volume up and down, your light switch, take a calls for Bluetooth, next track or play. Yeah, it's very nice. It's got a nice rubber top on it and bottom, so it sits nice.
Time it.
Let's see if it fires up. Right here's the power. Oh, look at there. You can hear that no problem at all. See? Not bad. All kinds of cool colors. Woo, strobe light. Crazy light.
Okay, let's just move on.
You don't want to miss any great tech coming up. This is a really good deal. Like I said, $24 plus another $10 for shipping. And this thing's pretty cool. Put this on the side of the pool. Start a playlist of music on your phone. You're rocking. It's 8 watts total power. Not bad. You can still hear it really, really good. Yeah, definitely a good buy. We'll be back again soon with more great tech. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.